Hello everyone, my name is Upaga. We are currently doing Leetcode 799 campaign tar. In this question, we are given a glass arrangement, and in this arrangement, whenever we pour a liquid on the top of the glass, it get distributed equally amongst the adjacent bottom glasses. So, if I have this particular glass, then if I'd be pouring this, then it would be going to equally divided to this particular glass and other glasses. Likewise, it would be happening in all the subsequent rows until the poured liquid is not getting zero, because it requires at least one amount of glass to fill, because this is given the question. If we read over here that whenever the glass is full and each glass needs at least one unit of we can say like 1 unit of water to be required to fill it, and the other remaining poured liquid would be equally divided into the subsequent glasses which is bottom to that. Okay, so I guess you have got the question. I'll still draw this quickly. So if we are having this glass, then this liquid will be equally divided over here and over here. And now if we have this, then this would be distributed over here and here. Over here we will be distributing it like this. So here you can see that if we are pouring n, then it would be n by 2 over here. It's not n by 2, it's actually n by 2 is the remaining. It's the remaining. Okay, and remaining is equal to poured minus 1. Okay, because one amount of unit fluid is required for that to absorb. Okay, poured minus 1. So this is what we will be using. So I'll directly jump into the intuition now. So what my intuition was, actually this is a DP question, but it's not very required that you will be feeling that if you don't use the DP, like while going through the solution you may use DP without knowing that you are using it. Okay, so so now what's happening over here? Okay, what I did that I made a previous array where I stored all the what is the poured fluid, remaining fluid left over in each of the glasses. So over here, if I'll take down the first test case. So in the first test case we have this. Okay, so in that first test case we have this poured is 0. It won't be good. It would be not be good. I'll change the question. Okay, let's take this. Okay, okay, now over here we can see that we have poured is 2. So in the first element what we'll be storing, that we'll be storing an array with 1, because 1 unit fluid is used over here. Now this is the 0th index. Okay, and then we go to 1. Here we are distributing. Poured is 1 left, and then over here we will be storing 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, one amount of unit fluid is used and another 0.5 and 0.5 is distributed. So like this we are using it. So what we are actually storing, we are storing the previous amount left. Okay, so I'll directly jump into the code. Here we directly called that the function with the vector as v1, which is initialized with double, and we have not poured anything. So in the first time we will be giving everything it has. After that, this is the base case. In the base case we are keep moving until we got the poured row, and then whenever we get the poured row we will be returning the previous query glass. Okay, and over here, like what we are doing, we are making a new array, and in that new array it would be of size n plus 1. That's the important thing we need to know, that this is n, and for every another row added we would be requiring n plus 1, because if we just shift it over here, like we will be seeing that every element like have like this. So if we try to shift over here, at least one of that new pair should be required to that to support this particular system. So that's why we need one more element. Okay, so n plus 1 would be the size of another array which would be added. So this is the way we have added a new array. And then what we are doing, like for every previous index, for every this previous index, we are calculating that what amount of liquid would be stored in another element. So I am saying that half of the fluid will be going to ith row, if this is, and this is ith, if I am saying this, so, and half of the row will be going to half I plus 1. Okay, so we are saying that half of the going to ith and half of going to highest plus 1. This minus 1 is used by the fluid itself, and we are taking it maximum because maybe the element the previous minus 1 would turn out to be negative. For example, a fluid coming and it is 0.5, that time there would be no donation of the fluid to the next glasses. It will be utilizing the whole fluid. So that's how we are doing it. And in the base case we already saw, so it's a very pretty easy question. I used this particular thing when I was debugging it. This is a very short line code and you can refer it. Thanks for watching.